guard down, so don't let my heart down, cause you're the only one that can have it. We could be good, so we should start now. Turning our backs on love would be tragic, tragic. And it's funny cause I hardly ever use that word, cause somehow it never works out with the angels we prefer. But I'd give up on the earth, girl, I'd even go to church if that's what it takes to work. I'm everything that you deserve. She said that ain't enough, I need to hear this every day. Baby, what you trying to say? Girl, I'm saying that everything's gonna be okay. Think before you run away.